Negative WTI hitting 40. What did you think when you saw that?
Well, it was pretty shocking, obviously. But negative prices for commodities are not totally unknown. We've seen it happen before, not as dramatically as this. And, of course, not when it's one of the global benchmarks for crude oil. So it was pretty shocking to see it.
Do you think that we ever get back to a normal oil world? And I guess what I mean by normal is a world where we don't see negative benchmark pricing and where we have a more balanced supply and demand world?
Yeah, well, I mean, it all depends what you mean by normal, of course, and whether the oil world has ever been normal. But I think the negative prices we saw on WTI last week. I mean, it's unlikely we'll see that again, although not impossible. This was a bit of an unusual situation. It was an expiring contract, and strange things happen when futures contracts go into expiration. They're relatively thinly traded. So I think, dramatic as it was, you can probably read too much into this, and probably a better measure of the market is the next month's contract, or maybe the rolling 3-month contract. I don't think we're ever going to see that going negative, obviously. So as I say, I don't think one should over-dramatize the fact that the expiring futures contract went negative for a few hours.